Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone is making waves, but is it really worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. And here it is, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Look at that design. Right out of the box, it feels premium. That matte finish looks and feels stunning, and the build quality is top-notch. This model comes in a striking phantom black, but it's also available in a few other colors. 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Bright, vivid, and smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for binge watching and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with up to 12 GB of RAM. Speed and performance won't be an issue here. But what most people are excited about is the 200-megapixel camera. Can it deliver the crisp shots and zoom performance they're promising? On paper, it certainly looks like it, with cutting-edge specs, an incredible camera, and that beautiful display. Stay tuned for our full review where we'll see if it truly lives up to the buzz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.